I'm going to be showing you how to use support characters in Honkai Star Rail. So simple and practical guide to how to use support characters is really easy. What you need to do is understand support roles. Support characters are not meant to deal damage. Their job is to enable your DPS. So the main support types could be Harmony, you have Nihility, Abundance, which is healing and sustain, and you have Preservation, which is shields and damage reduction. A good team usually has 1 DPS and 1 or 2 supports and 1 sustain. So what matters the most is turns. The support characters should usually act before your DPS. On how to do this, you need to build more speed on supports. You can use speed buffs like Bronya and Asta. This lets support apply buffs right before DPS attacks, which will help you get big damage. So make sure you use their skills wisely. Save basic attacks when buffs are already active and save support for DPS turns. And you need to match supports to your DPS. Different DPS want different supports. So for crit DPS, you would want Bronya, Tingyun, and Sparkle. And for break DPS, you would want Ron, Mei, Gallagher, and for dot DPS you should have Kafka, Black Swan, and Nihility supports. So there you go, that's how you use support characters in Honkai Star Rail. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.